Let's go. Let's go.
Hello friends, today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the iPad Pro M1 chip 11-inch edition. So let's get right into the video. So this is Apple iPad Pro M1 chip and 11-inch edition. So this is the iPad, this is the cover, this is the iPad Pencil 2nd generation, and this is some accessory. Let's go.
No need of this.
So this is Apple's 11-inch edition. It has got a liquid retina display with Apple's latest M1 chip and combining with Apple's Pencil 2nd generation. So this thing is having 8 cores of CPU and 8 cores of GPU, a total of 16 core of neural engines. And the M1 chip delivers up to 50% faster performance than the older versions.
And guys, this is Polo and this is Gucci. Say hello guys. And this here is the iPad Pro 11-inch.
This iPad's display is having 1000 nits of full screen brightness and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness with HDR built in. And the True Tone is providing us a comfortable viewing, which is better than the previous generation's iPads.
And let's get this thing rebooted.
It also have a ProMotion with adaptive of 120Hz refresh rate.
Okay. There it is, the stickers. And we got the charger and the USB type C to type C cable. Nice.
So this cover is available on Amazon,
And let's
It comes
unbox the
around $20 Canadian, and it's made by the brand INFILAND. Let's unbox the Apple's Pencil 2nd generation, and this is supposed to open up new creative possibilities. It's sensitive to pressure, to tilt, so that you can easily vary the line, the weights, subtle shading, and it produces a wide range of artistic effects.
the pencil. What do you want to? Paperwork. Okay, and there it is.
It delivers
Pencil.
pixel perfect precision and very low latency, making it great for drawing, sketching, even for just taking notes, marking up some PDFs, and it's easy and natural to use as a pencil. So the iPad's screen is True Tone Pro Motion, giving an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate.
Okay, I need English, please. Canada. Setup.
So when we take a look at the back of the
Next.
iPad, we have two cameras. One is the wide camera with 12 megapixel sensor, and the other one is ultra wide camera with 10 megapixel sensors. And we have an option to put an engraving on the back, which is free of cost, as you can see. And on the front, we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 122-degree field of view, making it perfect for FaceTimes and new center stage feature. The true depth feature of this camera helps unlock the iPad with the Face ID accurately.
Create a passcode. And till then, let's take a look at over here. It's the same. The engravings on the pencil. If you can zoom in, I think.
So this iPad comes with a Thunderbolt port, which works with the existing USB Type-C connectors, opening up a high-speed performance accessories for iPad Pro like external storages, docks, displays. And this is an INFILAND case from Amazon, worth 20 to 30 bucks Canadian. It has got a magnetic stand in the back. It has got a transparent back, a groove for Apple Pencil, and it charges magnetically on that. I'll put the link in the description. Here we have a small accessory for the iPad, which is by DODOCOOL, Cool Your Life. It is an adapter with a Type-C connector. It has got a USB Type-A port, a HDMI port, and an extra Type-C port and a headphone jack.
and on the side it has also got a micro USB and a big memory card slot. It can attach on the back of the iPad with a magnetic thing, and it connects on the side like that, and it looks like that. I'll put the link in the description for that too. So that was all from my side in the iPad Pro 11-inch unboxing and review. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and share. Keep enjoying and stay safe.